If you want to learn how to play Seben, then watch this video. Today I'll be showing you a simple bass line that you can play in the key of B. This is the bass line. So this progression is in the key of B, and the progression is 1, 4, 5, 4. So we have B, E, F sharp, E, B. So 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. So remember, as I'm playing Seben, I'm using my right thumb and my left thumb. So the right thumb, I'm using it to play this, with my left thumb mimicking the bass drum. So we start by playing the 1. So I hit the 5, the 1, and the 3. So that'll be the B major chord. That's the 4. So the E major. And then, so 6, 5. So let me explain. So I play the 1, then I slide from the 5 to the 4 on the G string, then play the 4, then so 6, 5, then 2, then I slide again. And then I play so what am I playing? I'm playing 1, and then 5, then 2, so all I'm playing is 1, the 5th, and then I slide to the G, then the 5th, the 5 again, then octave again, sorry, the 1 again. And then I do this. So 5, 5, 2, 5, then 5, and then I'll play the 3. So E flat, then the 4, then I'll demonstrate. So I'll play. I'll go slower. So I'll play the 3, then the 4, if you found this bass line too hard, I will give you a simpler way of playing it. So instead of playing all of this, all I want you to play is this. So all I'm playing is so 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 2, 2. And on my right hand, I'm playing this. So what am I doing? I'm doing this. I can add something else like so all I added is so we're essentially playing E major. So you go to the E or the 4, then you play the 6, so then open string E. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any suggestions, please comment below and like this video if you find it helpful.